funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better.
Today's show is going to be one of the most honest show I've made ever in the history of my content creation in this space. We are going to look at Bitcoin analysis, going to look at crypto bubbles, look at some altcoins like Popcat, baby Dogecoin, and we're going to look at what we need to do at this point in time to make massive gains, looking at Bitcoin and investing in other altcoins out there. Guys, if say you haven't been paying attention to my content, today is that day that you pay attention to it 100%. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because what I'm going to share with you guys today is something you have not heard ever in the history of my content creation. I want you guys to understand the bigger picture of cryptocurrency, how Bitcoin can help you make massive gains in the crypto industry, and also how Bitcoin can help you avoid losing money most of the time when you invest or you trade cryptocurrency. If you're new here, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you make better decisions investing in cryptocurrency. I help you with market structure, help you to understand when to buy, sell, take out profit. In this game, it's not only about buying or selling, it's also about paying yourself, taking out some profit so that you wouldn't be scammed, not scammed, but you wouldn't be dumped upon. You know, those guys, the market makers, the whales, they're going to dump on you if say you are not diligent enough to pay attention to what is going on. If you love my content and you want me to keep doing more of it, like let's say you are someone new, of course, just watch. But if you have been an OG and you haven't yet subscribed, come on, what are you still waiting for? Go right now and no, it won't cost you anything. Now, let's get to the juicy part of today's show. I'm going to begin, as always, to analyze crypto bubbles. Let's look at where we are in the market. Now, we are looking at the top 200 coins, but let's begin with the top 100 coins. And this is against USDT. But of course, you know we are dealing with BTC. On this channel, I'm here to help people. Yeah, we are back live, you know. Anyways, guys, I think we are back live. I don't know how much you guys have listened to what I've been saying here, but it's showing that I've been live only for 21 seconds. That means I've been speaking here on my own, you know. But guys, what I've been trying to tell you guys today is that what I want you guys to understand on today's show is something you guys have never experience in my show. I want to give you guys everything you need to know to make amazing gains in this industry. I want us to look at Bitcoin deeper, how to make money from altcoins, just looking at Bitcoin. If you have been paying attention to my content, then this shouldn't be something new to you. This should be something that it's going to be like a continuation to you. But I want to break this down with you guys today so you are not going to be left out ever, you know, as you embark in this game. So if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, come on, you are missing out a lot. Go right now and smash the subscribe button. If you're watching on YouTube, of course, you are always lucky to be on YouTube. But if you're watching on X, of course, it's good, but you need to be part of my YouTube community. And those of you who want to join my VIP group, guys, on my VIP group, you get my buy and sell alert. This is my VIP group. Go right now and join my VIP group to get my buy and sell alert. So let's dive into this. I think I'm having a little bit of trouble right now with my stream. I think I'm somehow thinking that is okay. Yeah, I think now it's back. All right. So those of you who want to follow me or join my VIP group, this is it. This is the link. You know, you can trade with me on BitChute. But let's dive quickly. We're gonna come to that later on. Let's dive quickly to examine what is going on with the bubbles. Now we are looking at the top 100 coins in the market. against Bitcoin. And you can see from the daily time frame, it shows that these coins, FTM, Tau, Aave, OM, Lido, Fed, Bread, Wift, are doing so well among the top 100 coins out there. And if we look at the top 200 coins, you can also see which coins are doing well. Now, guys, for those of you who actually don't understand how to use crypto bubbles, let me just use this quick let me just use 5 minutes or let's say 2 minutes to explain to you guys how you can use it on higher time frame and lower time frame. Let's begin on the lower time frame. Right now, Bitcoin is in an uptrend, and there are coins that move alongside Bitcoin, and there are coins that move when Bitcoin is moving. Or yeah, alongside Bitcoin, and there are coins that move after Bitcoin has pumped to the upside or to the downside. Now, looking at this chart, you can see that we have sats, which at times always move alongside with Bitcoin. We have Ondo also, Argo also. We have most of these altcoins here that haven't yet done anything against Bitcoin, meaning that if we see some retracement in Bitcoin, these other coins are going to pump. So you're going to look at those coins that haven't yet pumped. You can see these ones have done so well. Aave, Omo, FTM, Nier, Void, these ones are outperforming Bitcoin as of now because Bitcoin is up about 5%. I think almost 5%. Dogecoin is also doing well. So what you have to do is go to these coins, look at what that's done for the month, the week, and the day, and go to the coins that have been doing well. Like let's say, for example, let's look at FTM. What has FTM been doing? You can see for the year, for the month, and week, day, and so it means that this coin is in strength. And you can even look at other coins like Ethereum to see what Ethereum is doing. And now you can go to your chart. Like for example, if say I want to get, let's say I want to buy, let me just look, let's look at sats. Okay, I want to buy sats. So I'm going to go now to my chart and see where I am with sats. So let's go to sats. There's 1,000 sats. I think 1,000 sats. This is going to be on 1,000 sats on Binance. This coin is on Binance. You can trade it on Binance, and you can trade it on Bitfinex as well. So you can see that sats is at a good entry zone. Look at this, and we are looking at this on the daily time frame. We saw this pump with SAT, and we saw this retracement back, and it respected structure. It's still in structure. We haven't seen price go and make lower lows here. So price hasn't done something like this. Price is still in structure. Price is still in structure. So I think looking at this now, what we should be expecting is for price to bounce and make and start moving back to the upside. So if you go to lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame, you can see that as Bitcoin is doing well, SAT also is preparing to pump. You can see this clearly. Look at these vectors here, these vectors, and look at where price is at this point in time. This pump break structure, came back, held this structure, haven't yet go to make lower lows. So we should expect this bad boy to pump at least towards where the alpha trend printed itself signal. So this is how I use crypto bubbles. I look at coins that haven't yet done well, when Bitcoin is doing well to an extent. But if we look at Bitcoin right now, we can just look at Bitcoin quickly to see what Bitcoin is doing. Because right now, the price of Bitcoin is around, let's say, $57 US dollars, $57,000 US dollars, and you can see Bitcoin on the 4 hours time frame is heading towards this. I think towards the better moving average or towards the 200-day moving average, and we're gonna get some sort of resistance there. So as it stands, we are seeing this. Bitcoin is bullish, so at least we should see these other altcoins that haven't yet pumped alongside Bitcoin to pump maybe when Bitcoin retraces a little bit and then make another attempt to go and make higher highs, do something like this, maybe go right up to 58 or $59,000. We're gonna do Bitcoin analysis detailedly, but I just want you guys to see how I go about analyzing the market with crypto bubbles. It's really an important tool. You can use this tool alone and make crazy gains in the market. Trust me, guys. This tool alone can help you make crazy gains in the market. If you're watching and you haven't yet liked this content, come on, my friend. What are you still waiting for? At least. Like the content. Let's move on. Now, I want us to, before we go to Bitcoin, because usually I want to look at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing, before we look at altcoin. But I think Bitcoin is doing well. We're going to look at Bitcoin, where we might expect price to retrace from, and then you can now start looking at some of the altcoins out there that you are holding. But what we're going to do here, you can still apply it. Let's begin with Popcat. Popcat, guys, if you watch my previous stream with Popcat, this is what it looks like. price was pumping here, where I marked this, you can see here, and I told myself, no, I'm not going to buy Popcat. Why? Because I realized, that there were rejection here, and this is in conflict with previous rejection here. You can see, so it's but normal to say that price is going to reject from this zone, and it's going to depend also what Bitcoin was doing during that period of time, right? And this was around 24th of August, this month. Now I drew my Fibonacci retracement tool. I took it from here to this top here. You can see it, and it gave me this zone. This zone, the last zone, is a zone where I call it a buy zone. And if this trend is but like simple and normal trend, like if you respect price action and respect tier, then it should bounce from this yellow line here. And again, I'm going to expect some sort of retracement back towards this yellow line again, or towards the golden pocket after price must have pumped again. So at this point in time, I already saw Popcat here because I'm expecting more retracement. And even if price break from here and go to the upside, I'm going to wait for it to come back towards the golden pocket, because I know that the golden pocket is the area where I'm going to buy and make some crazy gains. And it can move like that and still come right to this area here, this zone here, and maintain this trend line. So if you want to buy, if you are a long-term investor for Popcat, then good. You can buy Popcat now. It doesn't matter, and you can DCA as price keep going up. But don't buy it with all you got. If say you have like $1,000 or $500 or $100 you want to buy, you can buy first for 50%, or 40%. Then you keep buying 10%, or you can start buying this for 30%, and if price goes a little bit down, you buy it for 10%, it goes down 10%, it goes up, you come back to retest the golden pocket 10%, and you can keep doing that until price is gonna break structure. And this is the main structure here. This one above, this line above here is the main structure here that price have to break. And if price break that structure, price is gonna come back here towards this zone here again. This zone here, price is gonna come to this zone, this area. Yeah. So when you are buying or you are investing or trading this coin, if you want to my content basically, guys, is for those who don't have enough money. Okay, those who want to make, like, you want to compound, you want to make Bitcoin, but you don't have much money to invest in Bitcoin, like just to make money from, like if you buy Bitcoin alone, you wouldn't really make any dime. So you want to be using altcoins long term to be compounding, making more Bitcoin, so you can, I'll set aside, let's say, 20% of your portfolio into this meme coin, and then you buy Bitcoin, you buy Ethereum, buy Solana, then you play alongside with that. And these altcoins are going to be helping you, making more Bitcoin long term. This is what I do, and this is what I teach. I know most people out there, they don't want to trade altcoins, they don't want to trade any meme coins, but this is an opportunity for those of you who understand technical analysis. It's very important you take advantage of the market, of price action to make some massive gains in the market. This is very important. You say you are someone who actually you want to compound, you want to keep making some gains with that. So make sure you apply that diligently. Don't just buy because you want to buy. Buy when you see that price is respecting structure, it's respecting your plans, because if you buy because you want to buy, you're going to be buying at the wrong time. So as of now, you can see what we expect price to do is price to break at least this zone, come back, retest it, then keep moving to the upside. I think we're going to see about 10 billion market cap for Popcat. I think so. I believe so, because of their community. Now, if we move forward to the next meme coin or altcoins, altcoin I want also to look at is Miro. Look at this trend line here, this structure. This is a perfect structure, I must say. Now, what we are expecting, or what I'm expecting to happen with Miro is this. This is what I'm expecting to happen with Miro. Miro should do this, like something like this, not like too much, but something like this. Hold, come here and hold this zone here. This is gonna be like respecting structure. If Miro does it, you can buy it from here, or you can buy it now. And when it gets to this zone here, you sell, because it's gonna reject. It will reject. I'm not like saying this as if I'm a genius. That's how price move. in waves. So you can take advantage of this short movement to make more gains. So Migo is going to do something like that. Then now go up to make higher highs, reject either from here again, come back here, hold, that's when you can still buy more, then take it right up if the coin has more strength. So this is just how the market moves. You can go back, to see or to check. You can look at this movement, that's how the market moves. It moves in waves. You cannot expect the market to move like straight line, but if it breaks structure, this is a structure that I'm looking at with Migo. So Migo is one of the coins that I think, the top altcoins that I think you can look at to make you some quick gains. And you can be selling into Bitcoin when you see price getting to this, support or resistance zones. Yeah, if price break and go towards this zone here, you can sell, be patient, and wait for retracement. Once you're patient and wait for retracement, then you can buy back when price moves to the upside. So look diligently on what price is doing. If you don't understand price action, go to my previous videos. I've done videos about price action to help you understand support and resistance, market structure. Market structure is key, is king. If you understand support and resistance, market structure, when price breaks structure, retracement, guys, you wouldn't need all the fancy indicators. No, you are gonna trade spot and make massive gains. And if say you're gonna add some indicators there, it's gonna make you even more gains as you embark in your investment journey. So Migo is one of those coins that I believe can really make you some massive gains. If say you you take it serious. Like, of course, most of you don't take the things you do seriously. Now, another coin I want us to look at right now is bread. Now, I'm like 100% sure or certain that we have gotten to a point where bread is going to retrace, bread coin. Now, look at this movement. I've done analysis already, more analysis on this coin, but I want you guys to see some stuff here, which is very important. I think you pay attention to. Now let's do this. You can see. I put my flip here from here to this top here, and it gave me this zone, always this zone. And price break structure here, price having here come back to retest structure. Of course, so price have to come back to retest the structure. And if price is not able to go and make higher highs, this is what you should expect price should do when a price breaks structure. Do something like this, go up, come back, hold, then buy it to the next highs. So this is what I'm looking at for Bread coin. Bread, is one of the biggest meme coin on the Base network, and Base blockchain is owned by Coinbase, and we know the Coinbase effect. This coin is not even listed to major exchanges, and you can see what it's doing. Imagine that Binance is gonna list Bread coin, or Binance is gonna list most of the tokens that are on the Base network. So I think that when anyone want to invest on the Base network is going to buy Bread. So that's why I think we are getting to a point where we're going to see retracement for Bread coin. So this is one of the top meme coins that I want you to look at. Now, another one here is MOC. These meme coins these coins are doing so well today. And you have to look at the coin based on what Bitcoin is doing. I'm going to insist every day. Look at your altcoins based on what the alpha Bitcoin is doing. Now, I drew this trend line here for MOC, okay? And what I wanted to say, I'm not in MOC yet because I wanted to see price do something like this. I want to see price do something like this. This is like exactly what I mentioned to you guys is what I'm going to show you again here. Price should do something like this. Come here. At least reject, but come here, price should hold here. Price must hold. Price cannot go down and make lower lows. No, price must hold there. And if price hold there, and I start seeing something like that, then, I'm going to buy that and be confident enough to say that this coin is starting to recover, because what has been going on is that investors have been cashing out profit, after this pump here, they've been cashing out profit, exit. They have been using most of those guys out there as exit liquidity, not me and you who have brains, we understand what we are doing, but they are using most of these guys here as exit liquidity, you can see. So until price breaks structure, respect structure, before we can, say that this is a convenient moment or moment to buy this coin. So this is a good altcoin that I believe can really make you some gains. This week again, we are going to look at Bitcoin afterward to look at where Bitcoin is and look at where we might expect Bitcoin to retrace, so that when you are looking at that, then you can know, or you're going to know what to do with your altcoin. Now let's look at another coin here, which is Toshi. I bought some Toshi, and I'm happy I bought some Toshi. And Toshi is up. Before this movement, I saw something here for Toshi, because like it has been rejecting this zone here multiple times, and price have done this multiple times. And I saw that maybe this is gonna happen as well. Yeah. So the next area that I've already done this with like this analysis on Toshi. You can see, I want to see something like this come back retest, or it should become at least somewhere here also, then hold. Then maybe that's when I'm going to be comfortable to sell, to buy more of Toshi. But what I'm waiting right now is for price to get towards this zone here, this rectangle zone here. So if it gets to this box, then I'm gonna cash out my profit. Then be patient. There's so many coins that I can look at, and forget about Toshi. Keep looking at it every now and then to see if say price has gone back to respect the way I trade. And if I'm not gonna see that, then I'm not gonna do anything. Now the bigger bitch, not bitch. The bigger guy in the room is Trump Coin, MAGA. Come on, guys. We know what is coming. The U.S. election. Donald Trump, U.S. Former U.S. president, who is one of the four, the forefront runner for this election, and the Republican candidate. This is his coin. Well, not like he's directly involved in the coin, but this coin actually is moving based on his momentum. And the U.S. The U.S. debate, election debate is going to be tomorrow. Trump is going to debate Kamala Harris, or I don't know how to put Kamala Harris or Kamala Harris. So Harris is going to debate Trump. Let me use the word Harris. He's going to debate Trump, and we know what happened last time with the Biden and Trump debate. If Trump wins this debate, then this coin can move like 1x. And I'm looking at, if I go to price, I'm looking at this, that it can go to around let's say $1. Right now it's at around $5. Right now it's at $3. We can see this coin go right up to $5. So keep an eye on Trump coin. Honestly. But this coin can pump right up towards this 370 million market cap. So Trump coin is one of the coins that I believe can really make you some massive gains. Now, guys, if you are watching and you haven't yet subscribed or like this stream, come on, my friend. What are you still waiting for? Like this stream, retweet it if you are watching on X, so that we can reach out to more people on these various platforms. If you are watching on YouTube, come on. Do share, like this content, and love you guys, because you have been here with me, and I'm happy to always be here with you. But these meme coins, these altcoins are gonna make you massive gains. I've been looking at these coins for some long time now, and I've been looking at how it moves alongside Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is gonna have a good day, then these coins are going to have a good day, particularly Ethereum. When Bitcoin is doing so well, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, most of these coins are going to do so well, and they're going to outperform Bitcoin long term. When Bitcoin keep doing that. Of course, when I say long term, it means that if, say, you cash out profit into Bitcoin and then you wait a little bit retracement, as I mentioned, then you're always going to be making more Bitcoin doing that. Now, let's go to the alpha. I've given you guys some of those altcoins here. I'm going to give you guys more altcoins at the end of the video, but let's look at the Big Daddy. Let's analyze the Big Daddy diligently and see where we are in the market at this point in time. Okay, early this morning, I did this analysis here, and this was before this pump to the upside. And I knew, because I knew that price is going to pump to this upside. Why? Break of structure. And I drew my Fibonacci retracement tool, and I realized that, there was more volume here. So this area was going to be a high chance for price to reject. instantly. And once I saw that this rejection here and price came here, break above this 0 point, this the golden pocket or the point of control, the red line in the middle, I immediately knew that price is going to pump to the upside. Now, if we go to this tool here, this liquidation heat map, I want us to refresh this. I want us to see something here, which is very important. I've done this before. Look at this zone here, but it's going to change afterward. So what we are looking here at right now is, this yellowish area is an area where there's high liquidity on the weekly time frame, meaning these guys can push price right up to 58,550 or let's say $59,000 per Bitcoin. You can see price is heading towards that direction right now. So looking at this, you can already start looking at your altcoins and look at where they are in the market, looking at what structure they have, like where is the next resistance, where is the next support. If Bitcoin is to retrace, what is going to happen to this altcoin, so you can look at where Bitcoin can go and grab liquidity from the market. And when it grabs that liquidity, you can already start thinking of either cashing your altcoin into Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin is retracing, it might retrace about 3%, but these altcoins are going to retrace like 20% downward. So you can, sacrifice 4% of your portfolio, to buy back when this altcoin must have plunged downward about 40% or 20%. Now let's get back to the Big Daddy and keep on doing this. Now, I'm going to go to Baby Dogecoin. Of course, Baby Dogecoin is, I didn't talk about, we're going to analyze Baby Dogecoin and Floki Inu, of course. Floki Inu in the end and Baby Dogecoin. We're going to talk about that because that's one of the things I think most of you want to see. But looking at this, the simplest thing you can do is this. Pull the FIB here. The FIB is very important. Put it here, from here to here. You're going to see where price is going to retrace to. Now, this price has already retraced from here to here. This zone. But let's say, for example, this was the retracement. This would have been the area where price would have retraced to around $56,000. But now price has made its way to this upside. So let's see where this price point is. You can see around this, let's say, $55,000. But what are we seeing here? We are seeing the golden pocket around this vector candle here. And this area is an area where price breaks structure on the 15 minutes time frame. Look at this. This is the area that price break structure. It is clear in front of you. And trust me, they are going to push price back there. And when they push price back there, we want price to hold, to keep staying in this zone. Price should keep staying in that zone. Price should not break that zone and go and start making, go right down and break this structure here, because if price break this zone here and come right down here, then we have invalidated that move, But we can also look at it this way. We can pull the FIB, from this level here. Can either do it this way as well to see another zone where they can move price to. We can pull it from here, to the top there and see where they can pull price to. Okay, this is the area here. Look at this. You can't make it up. So this zone alone is an area where this is going to be around $55,000, for Bitcoin. So if we go now to the liquidation heat map, and go to the daily time frame, let's see what is going to happen in the next 24 hours. Maybe they can push price to about $55,000. Okay, you look at this. We have around $54,000 that they can push price to. So if they decide to bring price around $54,000, then we are going to be bearish for Bitcoin and altcoin. Your altcoin are going to wipe all of the gains they have made, back to square one. So be rest assured that price stays around or above $55,000 or around above $56,000. Yeah, above $56,000. Let me put it that way. Now if we look at now, Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, we can see clearly that price have just recovered most of these vectors here. These vectors, and price is still staying there in structure. Price haven't yet breaking structure on the higher time frame. Look at this. Price just, at most of these vectors, yeah, and price rejected from that zone. So because price rejected from that zone, look at this, it means we should be careful. This is considered as double top. Okay, this, and maybe the retracement is going to be around this area. I mentioned half of this vector candle here, because you can see there's a vector candle here, and when we see vector candles, it means they are preparing to bring price back to recover the gains that they lose, or the money they lose during this movement here. So guys, don't just rush into buying anything right now. Wait for retracement and wait for price to hold. And I'm going to recommend that at least take out some profit from most of your altcoins already during this first pump. Now, let me tell you what Bitcoin will do if Bitcoin break this structure. If Bitcoin break this structure like this, if it break this structure from here, come back there. That's how price works. Maybe not immediately, but it's going to take like 1 week or 2 days or 3 days to do that. And if you already know about this, you can now start planning against, like looking at your altcoins that move alongside Bitcoin. I've mentioned some of them to you already. Now, let's look at the big boy, Baby Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin, this is the daily time frame. And I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think like we're going to see massive downward trend for Baby Dogecoin. I think we're going to see more upside for Baby Dogecoin, and I believe that someday in the future, Binance is going to release Baby Dogecoin, and when Binance releases Baby Dogecoin, we're going to see massive pump of Baby Dogecoin to the upside. Now, if we look at this bad boy, let's look at this bad boy. Look at their following on X. 2.5 million. Before my last video, I saw 2.4 million, and now I'm seeing 2.5 million followers on X. This, you cannot make it up. And when you look at their engagement, look at the recent post 4 hours ago. Look at 11K engagement views, 11K views. Look at likes, 3.148 likes. Look at the retweets, only within 4 hours. This is good. I've already also liked it. I'm going to retweet this as well because I love the project. So all of this plays a lot of role, for the survival of this project or sustainability of this project long term. And if you're invested in Baby Dogecoin, you look at it long term, not short term. Now, if we go back to price action of Baby Dogecoin, look at this. This is a daily time frame, and look at where price is. Let's zoom out back to see what has been going on here in the past. Look at this: rejection, 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 and now rejection again. So whenever you see rejection from here, we see a pump. We see rejection, we see a pump. Yeah, a pump. So we should expect a pump for Baby Dogecoin anytime soon. And this might not be based on what Bitcoin will do. It will be based on where price is at this point in time. Maybe something major is going to happen with Baby Dogecoin. But as of now, I think Baby Dogecoin looks so juicy. We can look at this on the 4 hours time frame to give us more perspective on what is going on in the market. You can see this is structure. When Baby Dogecoin break this structure, yeah, I love structure. Trading structure has helped me a lot. Look at this. If it breaks this on the 4 hours time frame, where do you think it's going? This is the next target, and this also is a target here. And what are we looking at in terms of upside percentage? We're looking at about, let's say, how many percent? About 22% to the upside. So if you see that, then I think that maybe this is going to help you a lot, make some quick gains from that, and then you buy again when it retraces, because when it pump, you're going to come back here and you get into Bitcoin. You wait a little bit, be patient, look for the next coin to buy. Then from there, you can keep moving. There are coins that haven't yet done well. I'm going to share with you guys today if I have more time. But if you are enjoying the show so far, come on, boy, go and smash the subscribe button right now. Like this content, like the show, and comment your thoughts. What you think is, about the future of altcoins. Are we doing the out? Are we now is the alt season year, or we're gonna see the alt season soon? Now, I've already established this. If I want to buy Baby Dogecoin, I can start buying this year. But I always want to see confirmation. When I would have bought here when I saw this stop it photo candle. I bought more, but I didn't see it. was waiting for price to break structure, but now I've realized that we are in a zone where if price breaks structure, come back and retest it, hold, that's what I'm gonna buy, because I know that maybe if price come a little bit down here, I'm gonna go back to the upside, because it's gonna break structure. If price break structure, there's gonna be good sign for me to understand that the Dogecoin is at a good state. So I believe that the Dogecoin is at a good state to pump to the upside. If we look at the daily time frame, I don't want to like stay so much on this lower time frame. The 4 hours time frame is a good. I mean, the daily time frame is a good. It's a good time frame to actually take the ride to the upside. You can see if it breaks this zone here, it's going right up to here, as I mentioned, and from there, you're gonna come back to retest this zone here. Then that's when you can buy again. So you can cash out if you are already if you already bought it here. Then you can cash out profit here. Then you can buy again here. Of course, don't always sell everything. You can sell, let's say, about 20% or 30%. Then you buy back with it. So you keep adding more. So that's how you can go with it. Now let's look at Floki Inu. Floki Inu is my big daddy in the game. These guys, if you look at also their X platform, you can see here, they have been growing like fast. Looking at, before I was looking at Floki and not Baby Dogecoin. I think, I was looking at Baby Dogecoin, not Floki Inu. So this is Floki Inu. Floki Inu, you can see the engagement here. You can see also their trade, their partnership, support part, like these guys that are building, and if we go to the price action of Floki Inu, looking at this current price action and where price might retrace to, I already mark this zone. Look at this stopping volume candle. So the target is going to be around this golden pocket. It's going to be around the price 0.00015 or 0.0000145. So this zone here that I marked is an area where we're going to see some rejection. And if price is going to break this structure, go up, price is going to come back, price should hold this zone here. But if say Bitcoin is not going to do well and price is not able to break this zone here to go and make higher highs, then we can expect price to come and eat all of this liquidity here. So I would say that most of you guys, you should be patient a little bit with this coin, because there's liquidity here that they can come and grab. So pay attention to this zone here. They can come and grab this liquidity here for Floki Inu. Again, if you are investing long term, then Floki Inu is a good coin long term. They are in the gaming space. They have built product that is being used by real people, and I think most of these altcoins here are gonna be doing well long term, because they have utility and they keep developing. They keep like building their platform to be sustainable, attracting new investors. So Floki Inu alone, I think, can make you so much gains. And guys, again, I'm not just choosing like coins, random coins. These are coins that I've studied for a long time, and I've paired them against Bitcoin and realized that these coins have done so well against Bitcoin, and they can really help you make more Bitcoin. So Floki Inu can help you make massive Bitcoin, like so much Bitcoin. And I'm not saying you should go and buy all of this coins. No, don't go and just buy all of this coin. Buy the coins that you believe in. You can choose for at least one or two from the coins I've mentioned today. Then you invest heavily in it. Of course, I don't mean everything you got. I mean like if say you have like $1,000, you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana for 70%. Then 30% you can now play alongside with these altcoins. And I also have some altcoins that I want to share with you guys apart from Floki Inu and the rest that I've mentioned. Let me go straight away to this coin that I think also haven't yet done so well, and this is Bome, Book of Memes. Look at this coin on Binance. This coin was launched on Binance, and look at this pump to the upside, and ever since price have been pumping down. Now, what do you see here? You see lower lows and lower highs. Look at this. This is what we call trend, price is in a downtrend, and price is respecting a particular structure, making lower lows and lower highs. You can see, yeah, and yeah. So for you to confirm that we have working structure, price must go and trade above, like do something like this, come back, hold, yeah. And if price hold there, then you can confirm that this is going to be the reversal. So you can still be patient, but you understand what will happen to give you the confidence to enter the coin, and then when you can sell, and when you can buy back again. So in this case, you can buy from there and take it back to the next zone here, this area here, this structure here. This is a structure. You can take it to this zone, and boom, you wait for a little bit for price to break above. Price can do this. It can break above, then come back, then retest this, before you can decide to buy again. But what I'm trying to teach you guys is structure. When you understand market structure, when structure is being broken, then you know when to enter. But Boomer, Book of Memes, is one of the coins I trade alongside Bitcoin. I don't buy these coins like always, like hold them forever. I look at structure, look at if say price is breaking structure, price have retest this retest support zone or resistance zone. If price hold these zones, then I'm gonna decide to either sell, take out profit, or buy back again. So this is important if say you really want to make some massive gains in this brutal crypto industry. Another coin that I think is doing so well recently, and I think I have been talking about this coin for some time now. Even though I haven't been creating more content around the coin like recently, but I just realized that I've been patient with the coin, and the coin is getting to a zone where I should be comfortable enough to buy it now. And this is ApeCoin. Now, ApeCoin is one of the biggest coin in the gaming sector. And what did I mention about market structure? What I mentioned about market structure is that if price is forming like on the daily time frame, like you see this high, this high, this high, and it's forming also low, and you see where price is on the daily time frame. Price is attempting to break structure. If price breaks structure, what I want to do is I want to pull my Fibonacci retracement tool and be patient, put it and do something like this. I want to take price from here, take it to that area where it's gonna go to. Then I wait for pullback around this zone, this area here. That's when I'm waiting for pullback. And price can still come right down here, but price shouldn't break this zone. It shouldn't go below here. Then I do something like this, go below. It should stay above that area. So what I want you to look at, don't rush to buy right now. It's already up 11%. Don't follow the pump. Wait for retracement, because you can see there are vector candles here. They're going to send price to recover this vector candle. Then you can buy now, to the upside. So ApeCoin is one of the coins you should look at. Put it in your list. This bad boy should always be on your list. Now, another coin I want to also look at right now is QNT. QNT coin, I think QNT coin now has broken structure. Again, exactly what I mentioned in all those other coins. You see, this was a previous structure, and we want to see this daily candle close above this structure. And what we are going to waiting for is retracement now towards this. I already marked it here. You can see I already marked it for QNT. So these zones here are the zones I'm going to wait to accumulate to buy QNT. And I think that QNT is one of the top projects as well in the crypto space. Among the top 100 coins that is going to make you massive gains. Look at the gains to the upside. Look at these gains. Look at if it breaks structure, it's gonna mean a massive rejection, a massive reversal to the upside around $150, or let's say this zone here, which is gonna be the major area, is gonna be around $100. So the gain is gonna be huge. That's gonna be about if you buy one now, you can make afterward about $70. But if you wait a little bit for retracement, you can make about $40 if you buy one or two. So this is what I do, on a daily basis. And looking at Solana, of course, we know what we can expect from Solana. It's always one of the top coins out there in the space, and it has been rejecting this zone, rejecting. So price should stay around this area. If price stay there, then it's gonna at least attempt this high again. But if price break, then we're gonna look at this coin get right down to about $81 or maybe $100. Yeah, $100, or you can get to about 94 or about 82. So keep an eye. But I think overall, Ethereum as well looks so bullish. This is Ethereum, and Ethereum also is a respecting structure. Look at this. After this pump, price has gotten to this zone where I think we're gonna see a bounce back for Ethereum, and price is gonna go right up to 2,800 before we might expect another rejection from there, or maybe price is gonna go to 2,500. This is also another zone where price can go to. So guys, I've taken so much time already to explain to you guys what is going on here. And if you haven't yet followed me on X, you haven't yet retweet this live stream on X, guys, I don't know what else you want me to do. You should follow me on X. This is my X platform, but if I refresh this, you're gonna see that. Let me just refresh this a little bit so we can see this live stream. Let me see if I got some questions there from you guys. If not, then I'm gonna call this a go for today. But guys, make sure you follow me on X. This is my daily retweet, and this is a ongoing show. I've gotten some retweet already. Guys, thanks for retweeting. You guys are awesome. I love you all. You guys are the reason why I'm here. You can see I already have some retweet here. At least 1% have retweet. Let me also like the stream. 1% have retweet and like. Guys, do like the stream, retweet. I can see those of you who are watching on X, do like, retweet. And if you want me to keep doing this for you guys again, tomorrow same time I'm gonna be here. I'm already live for 3 minutes. I don't wanna take so much time. But if you have any question, I'm gonna wait a little bit, about 3 minutes, to respond to your question. But as of now, we are done with the analysis. So I just want you guys to understand that when you are investing in cryptocurrency, I want you to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. These are the coins with the most liquidity as of now. Of course, you can look at BNB or also, but my strategy it involves both, even BNB, because I use Binance. I play more with DeFi, with Solana, DeFi on Solana and Base. That's why I'm looking more on Ethereum. So I trade more on the Base network and Solana network. So that's why I'm talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So you can use this strategy to make more Bitcoin, more Solana, and more Ethereum. Trust me, on these networks. And these coins that I've shared with you are coins that can really help you make huge gains in the crypto space. I already explained to you how you can use crypto bubbles, how you can analyze all coins, looking at Bitcoin, looking at market structure, looking at where price is at and where price might retrace to. And if price is going to retrace and reject from those zones, then Bitcoin, then all coins that move alongside Bitcoin or move with Bitcoin are going to reverse as well. And when they are pumping with Bitcoin, you know how it is. They're going to pump more than Bitcoin. So that's just how things works. And again, if you have questions, if you're watching and you have questions, you can always post your questions. Let me see if you guys have some questions for me on X. I think not. There are no questions on X. There's not a question on X, so I'm not gonna take so much of your time right now. But guys, retweet this, like this, and share with friends. I'm gonna be really happy that you share my content. I want to grow my platform, and guys, I have a lot of resources here. If you want to get my buy and sell signal, go right now to the description of this video on YouTube. Go to YouTube, the BETONG Crypto. You can trade with me on Bitronix. You can trade futures or spot. You can join my VIP group to get my buy and sell signal, guys. All the analysis I do here before I buy, you can get it without going through the stress. So if you want to get my VIP, my buy and sell, signal, you want to see what I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm taking out profit, then join my VIP group. This is the link here. And if say you want someone to help you with portfolio management, you always buy the wrong coins, you don't know what to buy, you have money, but you are always down in your portfolio, I can help you. Use this link, to connect with me. And if say you are an absolute beginner, you don't know where to begin, then this link is for you. Join the BETONG Crypto Education for Beginners. I'm going to take you one-on-one, take you from the beginning to the end so that you understand market structure, how to buy, how to trade, how to invest, all of this good stuff. And you can join my free Telegram group. There I share stuff every now and then, and it's for free. You can still be there. And if, say, you want to, you want someone to you want to talk to someone, you don't know where to begin, you don't want to just buy or get to my VIP group, you just want to talk to me face-to-face on Zoom, come on. I have 50-minute free call with you. Like, all this is for you. Book it and let's have it before you can decide on what to do. Having said all this good stuff, guys, I think maybe it's going to be the end of today's video. I was saying all this without showing you guys all of this, but this is it. What I was trying to say, my VIP group. So this is just a link. Go to the description of this video. You're gonna get this link tree, my link tree, or let me comment my link tree. This is my link tree. Let me share it at the comment section so you can get it. You can go there and connect with me. All what I just mentioned is there on my link tree. Go and connect with me. Let's have this conversation. Let me help you throughout your journey. And again, you are going to see the result that you want, because I don't bluff, I don't blah, blah, blah. I share out of experience, and I share, you can see, I've done this live with you. It's not as if I went and prepared some, information when I edit. No, I've done this live with you guys. I'm live with you. It means I know my shit. I know what I do. I do it live with you. I'm not gonna go and create content and edit it to fade or make different mistakes and combine all of that. No. I'm doing it live with you so you can see that I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this for a long time, so I know what I'm doing. It's in my finger, in here. So go right now and use that link. Connect with me. If you are, let me just go and share this right now on X. I don't think you got it on X. Let me go. Those of you who are watching on X, I don't think you got it already. So let me just go on X right now and share this link. Let me just share this link right now at the comment section on X, so you guys can get it. Let me just add this. This is the link, my link tree. So connect with me through my link tree. This is it there. I just added it on X, so you can refresh your X. Then go to the comment section. This is it. Connect with me and get all the details I've been mentioning in here lately. All right, guys, having said all this good stuff, see you tomorrow, same time. Ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up, so